Hello everybody, it's Mindy and welcome to my channel and what I have to show you today. I hope you enjoy and come back and watch some more videos in the future. So let's get to it. This is from a company that I love and I hold dear to my heart. Good friends of mine. Yep, it's an order from Crystal Canvas Art. So let's get into it and I'll show you what I have. Here is my receipt. Hello, thank you, Miss Dipple. It's from Amy. She's funny. So let's get into it. Got it wrapped in tissue paper here. Let me tell you a little backstory on these. So they ordered some paintings a while ago and had a couple of issues with the manufacturer and things like that. Drill factories. I mean, it happens. Anyhow, they waited for this order for a while. That's the whole point. They waited for a while and it's here. Okay, it's here. So I ordered a couple of things. Each of my paintings were $36 plus a little tax. So I spent 76 bucks. All right, you ready to see them? Ready to get into them? I'm not going to show you the pictures yet. They are on the end of the box. Let's look at this one first. I have not ordered anything like this in crystals before. So Crystal Canvas Arts, this is their branded box. I've been with them for a long, long time. Way back to, I mean, they used to have just a weight box, I think. I don't know. But this is their new nice box that's branded and stuff. And I will say this, Amy and Jennifer, hey girls, they know what they're doing. They work hard at this. They know what is good in crystals, what's not. They do a lot of work, a lot of testing, things like that. They do a nice job. This is pretty cool. They now have a soft back canvas. Love that. Okay. Love it. I think my last order might have had the soft back canvas, but here's the other thing. Their paintings, not only are they licensed artwork, they're also hand charted now. So I think these will be some of the first ones I received that are actually hand charted. But look how nice that looks, right? Look at it. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful, beautiful canvas. I love it. Look how nicely that lays down and everything. I love it. Okay, let's look at their toolkit first. I'm not even going to take it out of the bag because you can see everything. Look at it. Got this bright purple pen. We have a black tray and a plate of wax. Little moss foot style boat. Love that. Very nice. They've been through many different types of boats. I have some of their paintings that have the double-sided tray, all kinds of stuff. But this is what they're currently going with, is this style here. Love it. And here's their drills. Everything is pre-bagged, which I love. They are in order. They are beautiful. Da-da-da. Love it. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. Love them. Okay. Want to see the picture? I know you do. Maybe I should tease you a little bit more. Hang on. No. There it is. Look at it. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. You know me and my flowers and my birds, and this is totally my style. There are 35 colors. It is a 40 by 55. Now you see there's a legend here and there's a legend here. Glimmers, shimmers, and shines. At the top is their website, crystalcanvas.us, licensed artwork by Mary Lou Troutman. And there is the thumbnail picture of what it should look like. Love it. There's this sun hat, garden hat, a wagon full of flowers, birds on the fence. It's lovely. I love this. You'll notice on the side, we have our number down here. Here is our symbols. And this is the color of the drill. Now, I think they still go with the crystal codes versus a DMC code. They could correct me if I'm wrong. No, I'm pretty sure that these are crystal numbers. All right. But I think this is lovely. Now, let me just say, this is going to be a lot brighter than it looks here on this canvas when you put these crystals on it. But let me show you the drill field really quick. Right? Super clear. Everything's super clear. Here's our wagon's wheel. Look at that. A wagon wheel. And then we have all the pretty flowers. Got a watering can over here. I love it. So I'm working on one of theirs, well, two technically. One was square rhinestones. I've got a little bit of that one done. The other one I have a little bit more finished. That's a round. I need to get back to it. But I love the flowers up the fence, climbing up the fence, the big hat there. It was just super, super pretty. It called my name, right? Totally called my name. All right, let's look at a few of the crystals. I'll take some of these out. Now, let me just say something about crystals, okay? I always use a light pad, and I find that to work really well. Crystals can get scratched on the backs. So let's look at these real quick. Look at the red ones here. Now, those reds look really good. Crystals always have a silver backing. And if the silver backing gets scratched off, light can come through there. And so you don't want to use those if they're scratched on the backs like that. But these are looking really good. You cannot avoid it, but these have very minimal trash is what it looks like to me. Yeah, they're looking really good. Not very many scratches on these. If you do use a light pad, oh, look at that color though. Whoa. A light pad they'll show right through right away. And so then you just don't use that one, right? So, I mean, it is something that happens with crystals, and you just have to work through it. Look at this color. Look at that color right there. Oh my goodness. How pretty. Like, see this one right here. Can you see it? Right there. That one has some scratching on the back. Now, if I put that on my painting with a light underneath it, that would show up right away. And you just take it off and use a different one. But these really look pretty good. They really look pretty good. All right. So we'll leave it at that. Okay. Let's move on. Let's show you something else. I'm going to put this back where it belongs. 29, 28, 27. There we go. All pretty colors. Super pretty colors. Let's look at them real quick. Browns and golds. All those pretty blues in there. Bunch of purples and pinks and purples. Oranges, yellows. The greens are in here. Some reds. I mean, it is a rainbow right there, right? It's a beautiful rainbow. Love it. Okay. That's the first one I got. Had to get that one. Had to get that one. I love this. Oh my gosh, this canvas back is so nice. It's very silky feeling. I love the back. I love it. It's nice. All right, let's look at the next one I got. You guys will laugh at this one. You'll understand. Let me just put it that way. All right, here we go. Let's roll it out flat here. Look at that. Look how nice that rolls out. Oh, look at this one. Okay, this one has a slightly different toolkit. Okay, now it doesn't want to be flat. Lay flat. Lay flat. Okay. There we go. There. That's all it took. Look at that. This one has a white boat wax. It has a multi-placer and it has a squishy on the pen. So a little different than the last toolkit, but still, I mean, that's what you need, a tray, wax, and a pen, right? So here are our colors. Are you ready to see these colors? This one's a 40 by 50. We have a bunch of clear, pretty red, some greens, oranges. There's some yellows tucked in there. Reds, browns. All right, let's see how many colors this has. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay. I'm so excited they have this licensed, right? I'm so excited by this one. It has 27 colors. They don't have the name of the artist up here. It says licensed artwork up here, but I believe this is Makiko. I believe that's the artist. If I'm wrong, somebody can correct me, but I think that's who this is. So it's just this gnome. He's sitting on this mushroom. Oh man, I want to work on this one in the worst way. Holding this sunflower, and he's like, hey, how are you? It's fallish. We have leaves falling around him as he's sitting out there on his mushroom. And look at the background. The background is not just one solid color. Let me zoom you up. I'll show you the thumbnail picture. Look at it. Isn't that cute? Super cute. A lot of browns in the background, but super cute. I love this. Super cute. Oh my gosh. All right. 27 colors. I love the size. 40 by 50. It's a great size. I love it. I don't need anything huge. A lot of the colors aren't showing up in this bag, so I'll show you a few. Let's take out some and show them to you. Why not? So, like I said, Jen and Amy, they do a great job. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Look at that bright green. There's going to be a lot of darker colors, browns. These are a lot of like grayish tones, smoky tones. browns and ambers, because, I mean, it is a very fall painting, and this is a lot of browns through the background there. But how many brown crystals are there? I don't know. Look at the oranges. Bunch of greens. Look at this golden color. Wow, that's 3 different shades, okay? Look, that is 8, 7, 6. Those are all different golds. I mean, sometimes they're really hard to tell the difference, but that's what makes the shading so cool with these. You get all those different tones. Pretty. Love it. Clear. That's going to be the white for the beard and stuff. Love it, love it, love it, love it. I had to get him, right? I haven't gone back and looked. They had some they had not listed right away. Look at that green. It's a lot of that green. I wonder where that goes. Huh. Very like lime green, very pale. But there were some they had not listed. They were reserving judgment because they weren't certain that they liked how they had turned out. So they were waiting a little bit to list the last few. I don't know if they've listed them yet. I haven't gone back and looked again. I'm scared. I'm always scared to go look. I always find stuff I love when they get a new order in. And yeah, I'm always tempted to go buy them, right? Go buy them. Anyhow, that is what I have. I have this one, this cute little gnome guy. And then I really like this. This is a totally different style of a crystal painting for me. The garden scene. I think they're both going to be great, though, don't you? All right. I will link them below. Hopefully they're still available. I don't know. But if they're there, I will link them. Definitely, I'll make sure I will link to the shop, if not the paintings. Okay? So thank you, Amy and Jennifer. Can't wait to see you girls soon. I mean, it's just a matter of weeks now. I'll get to see you again. So love hanging out with them. They are a hoot. They are fantastic. They are good people. I'm proud to support them any way I can, you know. So, yeah, see you soon, girls. See you soon, right? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And go check out their website and see if there's something there you like. Besides this, besides full drill crystal paintings, they have a bunch of small stuff, fun things, dangly things, keychains, small items, all of what we call the snack size or the special drill projects. They have supported Smashing the Specials. They're great. Love them. Okay. If you're not interested in a full drill, go check out all of the small little items that they have. Those are great as well. They've had clocks and you name it. They've got them all. Okay. So check them out. Check them out, please. Check them out. I'm going to let you go for now, and I'm going to clean up all this mess. So thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope to see you back soon. Bye, everyone.